In today's video, we're comparing two top winter tires for Middle Europe, the Continental WinterContact TS 870 and the Bridgestone Blizzak LM005. Both have impressive records, but let's break down the differences to see which one suits your needs best. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, the Blizzak LM005 has a clear advantage, stopping 3.2 meters shorter than the TS 870. On wet handling, the LM005 is also faster by 0.9 km per hour. It even completes the wet circle 0.18 seconds quicker, showing its dominance in wet conditions. For straight aquaplaning, the TS 870 resists better, staying afloat at a speed 0.6 km per hour higher than the LM005. When it comes to snow, the TS 870 stops 0.4 meters shorter in snow braking, but the LM005 pulls ahead in snow traction with a 60 Newton advantage. For snow handling, the LM005 is just 0.1 km per hour faster. It's a tight contest, but the LM005 excels in snow traction. In terms of wear, the TS 870 lasts a massive 14,100 kilometers longer than the Blizzak LM005, making it the clear winner for longevity. In dry braking, the TS 870 stops 0.9 meters shorter than the Blizzak LM005. When it comes to dry handling, the TS 870 edges out its rival with a 0.9 km per hour faster average speed. These differences give the TS 870 a slight edge in dry conditions. The TS 870 offers 0.24 lower rolling resistance coefficient value than the LM005, contributing to better fuel efficiency. However, the LM005 is 0.5 decibels quieter, giving it a slight edge in terms of noise. So, who's the winner king? The Bridgestone Blizzak LM005 excels in wet and snow traction. On the other hand, the Continental TS 870 excels in dry and mileage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.